Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like power windows, mirrors, and seats, a trip computer, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and leather upholstery. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.